Okay, we are going on a quick test drive. 2,300 miles on this car. It's essentially brand new, so we're not going to drive very far. Just want to show you what the car looks like. Get a feel for the sound. You can see the steering wheel is perfectly straight. It does not have any type of shimmy to it. It shifts nice and smooth. Power steering feels good. The clutch is really easy to push in and car shifts nice and smooth. No complaints here. This is an absolutely beautiful car. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So starting with the top here, I'm gonna show you the top and then I'm gonna put it down and then show you the rest of the car. So you have some little stains. You can see that spot right there. I don't see any rips or tears. That glass looks amazing. So really just those stains. Let's go to the other side. And here on this side, you can see those stains there. A little bit of dirt. You know, that stuff may or may not be able to come out. I'm not quite sure. Overall, though, that top is in great condition. I don't see any rips or tears. Then got the top tucked in here. It is all manual, but it's really easy. Okay, now I have the top down. Looks really good. So let's go through this car and look for any imperfections that we can find. The face of that wheel looks really good. And then even in the barrel, it's pretty clean. You're gonna have your typical flaws, but overall really nice. Tires look amazing. There's some sort of flaw right there in the plastic. That looks really nice. Got a really small scuff here. It's not a gash or anything, it's just on the surface. That looks amazing. Side mirror looks good. That door edge is perfect. So far, all of this looks amazing. Then looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash, and the barrel is actually really nice. Now where the top sits, you're gonna have some little markings right there. All of this looks really nice. Okay, looking at the front, let's scan the hood here. That cover looks good. So far, all of this looks really nice. Hood looks really good. To get close up here on the bumper. Looking right here, there's a little imperfection there. You have to be in the absolute perfect lighting to see it. That marker light looks good. So far, all of this is really clean. These are little bugs that splattered on there. You know, I'm not seeing any rash. Looks like this has a little gap here, like it got pushed back a little bit. But that bumper is really clean. There's a rock chip there and there. There might be one or two more, but for the most part, that front end looks really good. Engine bay looks good. All right, looking at the driver's side. That looks good. Here on this wheel, overall really clean. You're gonna have little spots here and there, deep there in the barrel, but the face of that wheel looks amazing. The A-pillar looks nice. Tiny little rock impact there. A small one, but other than that, that mirror looks good. Tiny fingernail scratch in there. The rest of that door looks good. That's all nice and clean. Face of the wheel looks good. A couple little spots on the barrel in there, but otherwise looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. And believe it or not, it still has that new car smell. It is really, really nice in here. All of that's perfect. If you had to pick apart anything, there's two little tiny scuffs right there on the speaker cover. They're very subtle. That trim looks good. The jamb is nice and clean. Looking at the seat, a couple wrinkles. That bolster looks nice. A little bit of wear there. Otherwise, nice and clean. Stitching's kind of fraying a little bit on some spots. Otherwise, that seat looks really good. Got a tiny, tiny little spot there. Little spot here. Otherwise, that steering wheel looks good. Nice and matte. Those buttons look great. All of this looks good. Shifter's super clean. That looks really nice. Trying to scan the upper dash for you. All of that looks good. Beautiful, beautiful interior. All right, checking out the back. Starting with the upper side here. Looks good. Taillight looks good. Looks really nice. Right here on this door panel, looks amazing. Buttons are super clean. The lower section looks good. Got a small scuff there. Looks nice. The seat looks good. Bolsters are nice and clean. This side of the console looks good. Now if you look at the cloth right here, you can see it's a little darker, a little dirtier. I imagine that can be cleaned off. Everything in here looks really nice. Carpets look good.